Now, talking about the Bodhisattva vow, it has two: the relative and absolute bodhicitta. And the Bodhisattva, absolute bodhicitta develops from having developed the relative bodhicitta. And what does the relative bodhicitta is? Relative bodhicitta is now, even though in our nature there is love and compassion, yet it is not easy and it's difficult to actually realize it, actually manifest it, because there is a dualistic concept. The loving compassion for others, genuine, like impartial loving compassion, is difficult to arise because of the dualistic concept that we have. And relative bodhicitta is that now when such ceremonies are performed where you take the bodhisattva vow by generating the bodhicitta, like an enlightened attitude, and then take the vow. And generation of the bodhicitta motivation or enlightened attitude is done on the ground of realizing and understanding that all sentient beings are your parents. And since all sentient beings are your parents, and all of them have the similar desire and a wish that you have, that the wish and desire for happiness and bliss, and wish and desire for not having suffering and pain, like in the same way they all have. So by seeing the sufferings and knowing the wish of them, developing a compassion, then practicing upon that and meditating upon the compassions and love, and taking a vow of a bodhisattva, having generated this enlightened attitude, and ceremonial, like taking a vow in a ceremony from our Vajra masters, gives you the transmission of the lineage, which will give you the blessing to generate that genuine compassion and love or enlightened attitude within oneself. And once having developed the relative sense of bodhicitta motivation, and having been accustomed to it and in practical application, not only in the way of thinking and wishing, then gradually, the absolute bodhicitta is developed. And absolute bodhicitta is developed or actualized, because in true nature we have the Buddha nature that is now coming forth, being free from all the impurities or obstacles. And compassion and bodhicitta motivation is not separate from emptiness. And emptiness and compassion is inseparable.
Tendes re tene ti indu de sonza ta tharing charan chuge thambo kunjop chanju ke sam ki kege yo des domba lembe ke gone tene kege yo re tene thela kunjop chanju ke sam thela tene memba chanju ke sam da jugba chanju ke sam tene nis chege yo re memba chanju ke sam se ya de khan se ge yo ra sna sam ji memba tene ro nge ge ro sim je tham chel tene sanje ke sala ko ber che tene de chepdo simjen la pemba drober che sambege semje memba thela memba semje se ge yo re den jugba semje se ya de tene ngoso tene simjen la pemba drober la so be ge gone che ya thela jugba semje sene ta tene sene menjuk memba don jugba ni yo res tene thambo memba la tene jugba sene yung yo re kanesne semge samne tene yunga juggu yo ba te sonza menjuk ni yo re tene 다 다른 게 capsula 캐난 속에 돈발 디 전주섬 돈발 램베 capsula 멤버던 6번이 찍셔도 된 거요. 그래. 하고 송아. 근데 전주섬 돈발 텔라양 근데 믹스에게 유바 만다와 니 잠지요. 그래. 근데 사모타베 유다 자신 쩨베 유스제네 다 니스제고요. 그래. 근데 다 사모타베 유바 텔라 근데 오마로 섬제스제네 배너 조 잠블리안에 근데 나가존네 유바 테당 tene jasin chebe ju seyate tene jasab chamang gombo ne thongme ne ma ju bejege kadam be luk tene joje pande atisha 다 가담베 그 룩스테네 니스요레 디니 제단게 찍바레 이나야 예완다부터 찍 멤버던 주관이 소소들 멤버다 찍 문준이 찍샤들 멤버 근데 다른 게 값솔라 근데 오말 룩스템제 스트라베기 근데 사모 따웨 그 룩 문주 찍샤들 멤버게 고네 그냥 찬죽섬 너무 랭게요레스.
So today we take the bodhicitta motivation or bodhisattva vow, which is called the bodhicitta motivation of aspiration and practical application, which is a relative bodhicitta. Bodhicitta motivation of aspiration means you generate within your mind to take this bodhisattva vow to benefit the sentient beings, to bring them to the state of enlightenment. That strong feeling, strong aspiration within the mind. Then the bodhisattva vow, practical application is, after having developed the aspiration to work for the benefit of the sentient being with a lot of compassion, you go through the act of doing so by any means of act that one is capable of doing. And this is the two types of a bodhisattva vow we will take together. Now regarding the bodhisattva vow, there are two lineage, that is one coming from the Manjushri and Nagarjuna, which is called the profound, the tradition of a profound view, where both the aspiration, bodhisattva vow of aspiration and practical applications are given simultaneously. And other lineage or other tradition is coming from the Bodhisattva Maitreya from Asanga and the Kadamba tradition like Adisha and so forth. So what we are going to, the Bodhisattva vow we are going to receive here is under the tradition of this, the Madhyamika, where from Manjushri and Nagarjuna it's being originated, where you receive simultaneously both the aspiration and practical application.
다 당보 겹스 가서 전주쌤게 돈발 렘발라 근데 또 근데 다 그냥 쓰는 거초 싹발라 때네 근데 달로 밀르름 붙이 톱에 맞세 넘버 산지베게 추지 고라 슈베 맞세 다 단다 특별 챔비오게 고라 슈고데 배나 그냥 좀 근데 그 그냥 좀 가바 상보 쓰는 거초 싹발라 때네 중앙데스 근데 얘나양 근데 믹스에게 다리 돈바들 렘베 값솔라 근데 쓰는 거초 조게 then domba de yang ta ba tobe ge chidol sunong gu cho zo be ten ji gu gu yo re de son za yin du den tanda thangbo ngana zu lam shen dun nang ge de den nang be ge kap so la den kyanan zu sang ma ge cha sum che ni den kyanan zu du xia sho ni den ko nan zu ge de che ba yo re fan ji ge gu den che ba de ba du wa de ge chung du la kyanan zu ge den da 대당 되네 마체베게 계란 쪽에 삼노 땅야디 계란 쪽은 눈돌라 되네 다 돈반 되는게 교회 신년당 되네 대다 냠돌라 되네 산제의 장주선바 탐체 슈베게 존돌라 소소게 차숨 산에 되네 뼈 되네 최바표 뼈다 매도 가리에나 계란 쪽 된데야 퓨베게 매바 제네 하고 송아 되네 계란도 소쇼 되네 계란돌라 장주선게 민레를 때게 인스 되네 계란도 닝바 슈차와 초당 영에서 구글면도 사바초 양발에 되는 뒤에는
for the first time should receive the Bodhisattva names, and then we do the process of ritual.
chanju ksam kebala tane 당보 yenla dunba ki tane jedu chegu gundu tane yenla dunba ti tane tajin kondu sheba na shingi kenan tsoge tane semge gomne tane kenan tsoge dundula la tane zo kuncho sanje chu gendu kuncho rumbu che namba somtang tane da choju jawa sedan cheba tamche dundu shu yu samba chene tela tane sosoge tane cheba padu meba pulne tane teye chungdula tane yenla dunba te dunba yinba samne tane yenla dunba te tane tangbo gosum kuba chenbu cha tsawata tane cheba chebeg ten padu mebege chebata tane sosoge tenga dikbele kaan jiba tamchela tane nyebege gone tane dikba sosoro shakbata tane shenji gewa drubala jesu yerangwa tang tane gewe shenye namla 담배 추주 코도 단 산지도 전주 선반은 담배 추주 코도 꼬와 꾸르와다 되네 단다 산지에 단 전주 선반 담지 샬슈고 남라 냥엠네 맨다월 슈고 소원 대바당 되네 소소게 단다 파돌라 게외자와 강사 유바당 사버도 다른 게 전주 선도 넘바 렘베기 게와인데 로와 심제 담제로 기도는 호와 제네 되게 제도레스
Now we take the before we receive the Bodhisattva vow, we say the prayer of the seven limb or seven branch prayer. While doing this prayer of seven branch offerings, we visualize Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas of the 10 direction and the 3 jewels and the Vajra Master. And to all the assembly of Vajra Master and the Buddha, the Bodhisattva. This making of 7 branch offering is preparing oneself to receive the Bodhisattva vow. So you visualize Buddha and Bodhisattvas of the 10 direction and Vajra Master in the front of yourself, and to whom with a great devotion and confidence we make the 7 branch offerings, which consists of making prostration, making offerings of anything that one can visualize and imagine to the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas, and regretting all the non-virtues and negative actions that we have done in the previous and committing not to do it again, and taking a joy and rejoicing at the positive deed and the merit that others are accumulating, and to the great spiritual masters who are living and doing a great activity of Dhamma, and requesting them not to pass into paranirvana, and requesting them to always turn the wheel of Dhamma, and then dedicating the merit that one has accumulated in the past and present for the benefit of all mother-like sentient being is what it says in the 7 branch offering prayers, and we visualize in this way.
Before we take actual the Chanju Sembutamba,
we repeat the prayers of the 7 branch offerings first.
Sunje don je je don do zo be san je je gong ba rum bo je do ba cha de ye je do nom ba don ju be don ni jen je chan ju chu do sim je be don ba la ne te da nyam zo le nya nyam be sim je ba ngon do do be go ne nyam bra ju she de la sim je be pe yue ne bo jen je shu be do le chan ju sim je shen nam gwa ga de de la su je na nam ge kham ne gung ga ne te ne de be je la ju ru she song be chan ju do sim je be don ba tom na Sunamje Bumbo Taye Barason So Teya Ngaloje Semje Bobe Choga Cho Narubane Yuba Mendra Sombo Ngabala Temba Tang Jezun Jamyane Ludu Yapse Sola Yuba Uma Luje Semje To Chaba Tang Jezun Chambane Tome Kunche Sola Yuba Kadambe Loso Chaba So Toma Yeja Talamdere Jave Sebo Shewale Chalen Dude Chemba Yembe Dela Jorwadang Ushi Jesumne Tangbula Menjuge Semjebe Ju Zowane Sunamje Sola Dengeba Yembe San Kuncho Dang Sanje Dang Chanju Semba Tamje Shukwe Chundo Shebe Chembo Samje Meja Bar Shamne Yala Dumba Undun Rokube Teye Tenshinbe Gone Jedu No Wara Shu Chokchu Gyalwa
Chokchu Gyalwa
세제 라
고숨
그베 찬살로
자철로
쉐베 땡기 군도 주 빅베 레남 소소라 샤 게와 군라 제예랑 쉐제 콜로 코르와 콜 냥네 민다 쇼소 넵 게와 찬축 쳔보로 오 찬찰 와탄 최진 샥바 탄 제수 예랑 꿀신 솔와 예 게와 중세 나게 지삭바 탐체 조베 찬주 쳔보 ene ce wei xie ne jiao sun wong dun de wei chang zhu zhu du sim jie ba xie song bian dun jie nam gu le sang jie da chang zhu sim ba ba du me ba le xiu ba le sam ne sang jie la dun ba chu la lam gen dun la lam zhu be chou su xiu de da gun zhu sun bu jiam ne su su ne wong jie sang jie da chang zhu sim ba nam men ba dan zhu be chang zhu zhu du sim jie ba te xin du da ge sim jie tam jie jie dun du men ba dan zhu be chang zhu zhu du sim jie ba la qiao wen yan be 삼바 주마마 임바 통동제베 증대남제 전체신베 고네제도 아 자주게 셈 응스게 바들이 되는 대인도 되네 자주기 초도 셈게 세베게 값솔라 되는 믹스에게 단단하라도 소스르타베 그 돈바 난신게 자주 셈그 돈바 디 토베하게 되서라보다 되니 배나 domba toba hakko goyan다고 된제게 되네 domba 요마레스 되네 조 전주도 셈에 초도 셈게 세야데 간세가 요르세나 되네 단다 결혼조 공도 곰바 난신게 조 되네 다레 domba 렌세게 되네 게외 신년다 되는데 되네 상가 요르 되네 다가 난신게 되네 소소게 곰네 조주자와 세단 제바 탐진 눈진남과로 쇼베게 정도다 되네 등수 탐제 빵보체네 되네 랑케 당보 산제 최 겐드 군초름 보숨 숨라 캡순 로 되네 캡순 로네 되네 되네 산제당 장주 선바 Jeva, Unegi, Caso, Sense, Tone, e chiamano tutti i Yakuchis.
Así que vamos a repetir 3 veces.
This alliance of taking the Bodhisattva vow, which we will do 3 times. In the beginning of the lines of the prayers, we go take refuge to the 3 jewels, then develop the enlightened attitude. When we take the refuge to the Buddha as the teacher, we take the refuge to the Dharma as a path, we take refuge to the Sangha as the spiritual guide, which will help you to guide through the practice of the Dharma. And the remaining lines of prayers are, like explained before, concerning the development of the bodhicitta, motivation and the purpose and so forth, and how one will develop. And when we repeat this thing, we should have uncreated confidence or like sincerity of taking this refuge and receiving the refuge. And this feeling of sincerity or a genuine feeling of sincerity concerning the receiving and taking of Bodhisattva vow is very important for taking the Bodhisattva vow.
Yeah, today, that can answer. Chanchup Ningboro.
Chanchup Nimpo.
Chigi Par.
Cheki Ba.
Sanje Namla.
Sanje Namla.
Kapsu Chi.
Kapsu Chi.
Chödan Chanchup.
Chödan Chanchup.
Sempa Yi.
Sempa Yi.
Sola Ang.
Sola Ang.
Deshin.
Deshin.
Kapsu Chi.
Kapsu Chi.
Chetar Hungi.
Cheta Nungi.
Deshik Ki.
Deshik Ki.
Chanchup Tugni.
Chanchup Tunga.
Kepa Tang.
Kepa Tang.
Chanchup Sembe.
Chanchup Sempe.
Lapa La.
Lapa La.
Teta Rimshin.
Mata Rimchi.
Nepa Tar.
Nepa Tar.
Deshin Rola.
Deshin Rola.
Pentun Tu.
Pentun Tu.
Chanchup Semne.
Chanchup Semne.
Keji Shin.
Cheki Shin.
Deshin Tune.
Deshin Tuni.
Lapa Lang.
Lapa Lang.
Remba Shintu.
Rimpa Shintu.
Lapar Gi.
Lapargi.
Kajedu Timu Nibade.
Ahora la segunda vez.
Chanchup Ningboro.
Chanchup Nimpor.
Chiki Par.
Cheki Ba.
Sanje Namla.
Sanje Namla.
Kapsu Chi.
Kapsu Chi.
Chödan Chanchup.
Chödan Chanchup.
Sempa Yi.
Sempa Yi.
Sola Ang.
Sola Ang.
Deshin Kapsu Chi.
Deshin Kapsu Chi.
Chetar Hungi.
Jitar Nungi.
Deshik Ki.
Deshik Ki.
Chanchup Tugni.
Chanchup Tungi.
Kepa Tang.
Kepa Tang.
Chanchup Sembe.
Chanchup Sempe.
Lapa La.
Lapa La.
Reda Rimshin.
Data
Nepa Tar.
Nepa Tar.
Deshin Rola.
Deshin Rola.
Pentun Tu.
Pentun Tu.
Chanchup Semne.
Chanchup Sempe.
Keji Shin.
Cheki Shin.
Deshin Tune.
Deshin Tuni.
Lapa Lang.
Lapa Lang.
Remba Shintu.
Rimpa Shintu.
Lapar Gi.
Lapargi.
Kajedu Timu Sumbatres.
Ahora tercera vez.
Chanchup Ningboro.
Chanchup Nimpor.
Chiki Par.
Cheki Ba.
Sanje Namla.
Sanje Namla.
Kapsu Chi.
Kapsu Chi.
Chödan Chanchup.
Chödan Chanchup.
Sempa Yi.
Sempa Yi.
Sola Ang.
Sola Ang.
Deshin.
Deshin.
Kapsu Chi.
Kapsu Chi.
Chetar Hungi.
Jitar Nungi.
Deshik Ki.
Deshik Ki.
Chanchu Tugni.
Chanchup Tungi.
Kepa Tang.
Jipa Tang.
Chanchu Sembe.
Chanchup Sempe.
Papa La.
Bola.
Reda Rimshin.
Leta Rimchi.
Nepa Tar.
Nepa Tar.
Deshin Rola.
Deshin Rola.
Pentun Tu.
Pentun Tu.
Chanchu Semne.
Chanchup Semni.
Keji Shin.
Cheki Shin.
Deshin Tune.
Deshin Tuni.
Papa Lang.
Lapa Lang.
Remba Shintu.
Rimpa Shintu.
Pabara. 다 대제술 다 되게 근데 전주초도 쌤 개발에 단 대제술 다랑 가와 곰바탕 근데 시 가와 곰바스체니 요래 랑 가와 곰바스도 다 전주초도 쌤 개터도 근데 나라도 택바 챔비기 근데 다 렉스 또바래 대인도 근데 택바 챔비 렉스엔도 근데 다 나 산제 토발라 녀와 게 렉트레 근데 갈베세 다, 근데 다 세모세 고기나 간세 우리는 어떤 데서레스 테스트인데 근데 다 계란 쪽에 당부 제도 대체백 값소라 근데 당부 계란 쪽다 밀로름 부지 톱에만 세백에 또 산지게 템버름 부지 골라슈 근데 대나느냐 근데 다리 잔주초도 샘제백에 특바 챔비고 골라슈바 되게 다 특바 챔비고 릭스 또 받는 신게 tene dage tene chanju sembege chobala 삽 sambege sosoge yangyar 가서 reconfirming 라고 치네 tene gawa gomba tang tene shen gawa gomba 세야데 간세게 열었으나 tene 다른 전주초도 셈게베게 tene 대기 개와 강요바티 tene 로 심제 탐제라 tene 모안라고 당 아직 방법도 제부터 소고요 tene tene 스트레스 다디
No, we have now generated the bodhisattva or bodhicitta motivation, and since we have generated this enlightened attitude or the bodhicitta motivation, we take a joy, and this joy is of two types: the joy for oneself and the joy for others. The joy for oneself comes now after having obtained and acquired this precious human body, and having met the Dhamma, and having entered the practice of Dhamma, and now having generated the bodhicitta motivation and taken the vow, one is belonging to the Mahayana family, like the family of a Mahayana practitioner. Mahayana family means a quicker path to the attainment of enlightenment. So, since we have taken this bodhisattva vow, we belong or to the category of the sons and daughters of Buddhas or the victorious. So, for this we take a joy. And the second joy, and then one reconfirm oneself here after the repetition of prayer, after having taken the vow, one will follow the conducts of the bodhisattva for the benefit of the sentient beings. And then the second joy, the joy of other joy is now joy of dedicating all the merit that one has accumulated through this vow and through many different virtuous deeds for the benefit of the sentient beings. So these are the two joys which we should experience now.
Al despertar de todos los seres.
Tengdu dakse
Natur dalse
Drebu ye
Drebu
Sipa
de Sipa
Lekbar top
Lekbar
Tering Sanje
Tering Sangye
Riksu Ke
Riksu Ke
Sanje Sesu
Sangye Sesu
Tachur To
Tachur To
Ane Dake
Ane Dake
Jene Jang
Jene Jang
Rikdang Tumbe
Rikdang Tumbe
Letsam Te
Letsam Te
Gyunme Zumbe
Jemme Sumbe
Rigle La
Rigle La
Nyohwa Minjur
Minjur
Tedaraja Dage Tering
Dage Tering
Chopa Tamche Ki
Chopa Tamche Ki
Jengaran Rola
Jengar Rola
Deshik Ni Ta Ki
Deshik Ni Ta
Ardo Dela
Dartu Dela
Rendu Pösen Ki Padang Hamin
Ladang Lamin
Laso Gawa
Laso Gawargi
Chanju Sanjo Rembo Je Mache Padang Kejuro
Che Keba Namba Me Padang
One Gondo Pewara Shoro Chanju Sanda Mendo Shin Chanju Chola Shoro Sanje Namje Yongson Shin Duje Lejang Hongwara Shoro Simje Tamje Dela Den Tan Tado Sanju Semba Kanda Sanju Da Munje Molan Do Bara Shoro Soya 다 chanzo chanzo semke da domba lembare the indu that ne that ke cheshude then da chanzo sembe jobala sabne then da sosoge simje shenla pemba kaze druptobati drup구고요레스 then dinane then chanzo sem게 domba lene ta tela to then sungja sab자 망보요레 then tenzo 예바 텐주 림베게 소소게 되네 롭존 채는 되게 요래 이나양 되네 단단 예와 카차와디 되네 조 전주섬 돈바티 양타바지 되네 네바텔라 개체슈드 가르고고 요래서나 되네 심제 되네 르 메방와티 되네 개체슈레스 데스드 간세게 요래서나 되네다 랑게 되네 펜 심제시나 펜버 주베기 근데 고갑다고 예배 값소라 근데 고갑도 용네 근데 소소 마가와가 돈에 다 맞게 발도 텐데 너 방와이나 좀 자주 쓴 것도 받대 냠도고요 그래 근데 드레스 테마도 benata pen top the matupge in circumstances manguore yenaya ngosu matuna soso samba sambe monam yaguchi semje yaguchena tela pe pembayore tene tendesre tene techen tene zo da to the number gondola semde ke the 양양 제야 되게 보시라 res.
Así que los votos de Bodhisattva.
Now we have received the Bodhisattva vow, and it is very important to train oneself in the path of the Bodhisattva after having taken and received the vow. Now, since we have received the Bodhisattva vow, there are certain precepts to observe or certain rules to follow. To the detailed ones, you can study gradually what are the different rules and the ways of observing the Bodhisattva vow and maintaining it. But one which is very urgent and very necessary to know from the very beginning of having taken the Bodhisattva vow is that after having taken this Bodhisattva vow and developed this enlightened attitude to benefit the sentient being, one should not abandon the sentient being, which means one should not miss or lose any opportunity that one may have or one may get to help others. And there may be time and occasion where one can be helpful or not. Even if one really wants to help, one may not get the opportunity. But the intention and wish to help other being and avoiding any situation where one can definitely help should be prevented, so that this is the way of maintaining the Bodhisattva vow, which is urgently and necessary to understand.
Tene tatres tene di indu tene tatari chanjuchodu sem keba thige tarin keba ne sungde tene thudan number kondoro chanju ke semde keba degre tene nyamgum bana ta gaso re 디 매바 철그 말했으니 근데 스캔한 쪽에 섬겨야 말해서 가시에게 다 전주초도 쌤 깨봐인데 이나야한테는 쌤제디 야구 연구면도 텔라테네 군접 장주 쌤스게요 근데 소소게다 단도 이나야 뇨무바 단다 뱃서다 시요 말해 근데 tin 남면도 용거레데 이나야 근데 소소게 대시에 봐요 쟤네 근데 칼리게 근데 쌤 깨네 근데 삽고요 사고서 삽니 근데 디 양타바지 랍토바이나 근데 남식 전담 chanju 그 쌤된 건도 주로 용백 값으나 근데 거라 랑슈게 근데 배대 가서 오래 응어수 chanju 그 쌤 검고야한다부터 깨고야한다부터 근데 마임바 거라 랑슈게 되네 오늘 그 전담배 chanju 그 쌤도 줄 깨연들 되네 배나 가서 오래 때 양타바 차게요 그래서 대선자 인도 되는 담면다 남도 독산 배나 가서 오래 시행을 뇌배 그 쌤다고 된다고 샤수나 되는 소소가 된줄라 되네 배나 가서 오래 discourage 제베 살라 되는 냠는 잠에 되는 된주 파매버체 되네 소소게 되네 양신 뇌반다고 된데 삼삼 왕매경 안에 쇼와 있는 된줄라 소소게 되고 샤 된데서 제고요 슬랍고요.
So when one has taken the Bodhisattva vow and generated the enlightened attitude, it does not mean this. This sincere feeling of taking the vow and the sincere feeling of enlightened attitude remains forever, and the feeling will be same all the time. Because since we have not developed, our actual bodhicitta is not being actually realized within us, there will be a disturbance time to time from the various negative emotions such as anger, hatred, and desire. Sometimes one comes across a people who say that I have taken a Bodhisattva vow and developed the enlightened attitude. That feeling is not same now. I have different emotions now. And such things should not make oneself discourage the motivation and attitude one has developed. We just took the initial step to to obtain and realize the bodhicitta, ultimate bodhicitta, by taking the vow of it.
샘제바 전주초도 샘제바 짬 코나 다 샘domba 슈바이 샘제 차와인신에 코란텔 말람나 게토고 말. 그래서 하르에서는 단단 요모바 요래. 아니 디베스 요라바스.
Until and unless one has attained the ultimate buddhi or achieved the ultimate buddhi, then one will come across many difficulties in one's emotion and so forth. But the most important thing to take care is be aware and conscious of oneself and one's deeds and one's actions, and put effort in the training, in the context or trainings of the parts of the bodhisattva or context of the bodhisattva. Like that, gradually, then one day one will actually realize or actually experience the ultimate bodhicitta. Then there is no real need, or there's no need of going through the training of a bodhicitta, development, and meditating on the bodhicitta. It is realized, and everything is natural, everything is effortless. So till then, one should be aware and consciousness, and whenever there is some kind of negative things arising in thought or negative actions that one has done unconsciously, and being aware of it and regretting it, one should do the confessions and so the purification of that action and so forth, and continue to train oneself in the path of the bodhicitta, bodhisattva, not forgetting the vow one has taken and the aspiration one has developed.
싱더부지 당보 사분 땀니 다 싱디야 깨그러봐 깨연두 근데 다 깨용군도 센다 강강 될라 따고 잡고서 말했으나 그 깨가 많아 봐 깨게 요게 어디 깨받는 싱기 될라 근데 줄로 근데 가우라나 깨야게 다 가는 고고연나 tun제도 잡네 근데 싱기 칼리칼리 깨고 그러봐 배트는 시에 다 다들 전주초도 쌤 깨차와이 근데 샴페인 쌤다 domballemba 인스네 거감 야 가서 그랬어 샘디야 단도 근데 깨니 야고지 소소가 맞잖아 전주선배 쨘발 말함나 근데 뒤 다가서 저게 깨게 말해 하고서 근데서 인도 근데 델라 딱 가르 고고요 그랬잖아 사회게 딱 소소게 두다 넘버 건도나 셴뱅게 샘 야네 양도 깨야 당 근데 년년저불 쳔바이나 근데 또 근데 나라도 동네 라소바 근데 고미야요 그랬어 근데 나라도 다고 타지 다볼라 찬조 럽존 지기이나 텐존나로 전주 그샘 코르텐조 하장게 되네 시부 사부 송요래 되네 믹스에게 단다데 로존 든든하게 그런게 콜라 탑이요래 텐데라고 냠네 지기이나 되네 디날 동네 텐데스젠다 제오레스.
For example, if one has planted a seed of a tree, and when you see the seed is germinated, and it doesn't mean that you can now leave it there because its seed has germinated and it will grow into a tree sooner or later. In this way, it won't work. When it started germinating, you must now to put the fertilizers and the water and all those necessary things are required to see the tree grows up gradually and properly and very well. In that way, just having taken the bodhisattva vow and having generated the enlightened attitude is not enough. One should nourish it, one should take care of it, one should train in the path of the bodhisattva and be very conscious about it and aware of it. Then, and regarding the practice now, when one is in the question of practicing in the path of the bodhisattvas, when you read or study the text of the Gambobha's jewel ornament of liberation, there is great and detailed explanations concerning the Bodhisattva's path and Bodhisattva's conduct and activities. And also studying the text like a 7-point mind trainings, which is the way and the conducts of the Bodhisattvas. Through these you will know the way and conducts of the Bodhisattva's way of life. Then in meditation practices where you can develop and train and maintain your Bodhisattva vow is doing this meditation practice of a Tonglen in which you do the giving and taking, giving your virtue and merit to the sentient being and taking in their suffering and pain onto yourself, like exchanging. Such are the way one can follow to maintain and preserve and grow your bodhicitta motivation.
Oh yeah.
Quando
Gele me she nul me nyalagi,